Foods for depression. Nourishing the mind through nutrition. Depression is a complex and multifaceted mental health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. While traditional treatments such as therapy and medication remain essential, growing research in the field of nutritional psychiatry suggests that what we eat can significantly influence our mood, brain function, and overall emotional well-being. This article explores the connection between diet and depression, highlighting specific foods and nutrients that may help alleviate symptoms and support mental health. The link between diet and mental health. The brain is an energy-intensive organ, consuming about 20% of the body's daily caloric intake. It requires a steady supply of nutrients to function optimally. When the brain is deprived of essential vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, it can lead to imbalances in neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, chemicals that regulate mood, motivation, and emotional stability. Moreover, chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and poor gut health have all been implicated in the development and persistence of depression. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can exacerbate these issues, while nutrient-rich diets may help counteract them. Nutrients that support mood and brain health. Several key nutrients have been identified as particularly beneficial for mental health. These include omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA, reduce brain inflammation and support the production of mood-regulating neurotransmitters. Folate, vitamin B9 crucial for the synthesis of serotonin and dopamine. Leafy greens, avocados, lentils, and citrus fruits are excellent sources. Magnesium helps regulate the stress response and supports relaxation. Found in spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. It plays a role in mood regulation. Fatty fish, fortified dairy, and sunlight exposure are key sources. Vitamin B6 and B12, essential for neurotransmitter production and energy metabolism. Found in poultry, eggs, dairy, and fortified cereals. Zinc and selenium, antioxidants that protect brain cells and reduce inflammation. Found in nuts, seeds, seafood, and whole grains. Foods that may help alleviate depression. Here's a breakdown of specific foods that are rich in these mood-supporting nutrients. 1. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are packed with omega-3s, which have been shown to reduce symptoms of depression in several clinical studies. These fats help maintain the fluidity of brain cell membranes and support communication between neurons. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in folate and magnesium. Folate deficiency has been linked to higher rates of depression, and magnesium helps regulate cortisol, the stress hormone. 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a contributor to depression. They also contain vitamin C, which supports the immune system and brain health. 4. Avocados. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, folate, and potassium. They help stabilize blood sugar levels and support neurotransmitter function. 5. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, Brazil nuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds provide omega-3s, selenium, and magnesium. Brazil nuts, in particular, are one of the richest sources of selenium, which has been linked to improved mood. 6. Whole grains. Brown rice, oats, quinoa, and whole wheat bread offer complex carbohydrates that help regulate blood sugar and support serotonin production. They also contain B vitamins essential for brain function. 7. Fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi contain probiotics that support gut health. The gut-brain axis is a communication network between the gastrointestinal tract and the brain, and a healthy gut microbiome is associated with better mood and reduced anxiety. 8. Eggs. Eggs are rich in protein, vitamin D, and B vitamins. They also contain choline, which supports brain development and function. 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant that may protect brain cells from damage. They also offer vitamin C and folate. 10. Dark chocolate. In moderation, dark chocolate can boost mood by increasing serotonin levels. It also contains magnesium and flavonoids that support brain health. Foods to limit or avoid. Just as some foods can support mental health, others may worsen symptoms of depression. Sugary snacks and beverages. These cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, leading to irritability and fatigue. Processed foods, high in trans fats, additives, and preservatives, which can promote inflammation and negatively affect brain chemistry. Refined carbohydrates, white bread, pastries, and pasta can disrupt blood sugar levels and contribute to mood swings. Excess caffeine and alcohol. These substances can interfere with sleep and exacerbate anxiety and depressive symptoms. The gut-brain connection. Recent studies have highlighted the importance of gut health in mental well-being. The gut produces about 90% of the body's serotonin and houses trillions of bacteria that influence mood and cognition. A diet rich in fiber, prebiotics, found in apples, onions, and garlic, and probiotics, found in fermented foods, can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome and support emotional resilience. Dietary patterns that support mental health. Rather than focusing on individual foods, adopting a balanced dietary pattern can have a more sustained impact. 2 diets stand out. Mediterranean diet emphasizes vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, fish, and olive oil. Studies show it's associated with lower rates of depression and improved cognitive function. Traditional whole food diets, diets based on unprocessed, nutrient-dense foods, such as Japanese or Nordic diets, also show protective effects against depression. Food as part of a holistic approach. While food can be a powerful tool in managing depression, it's important to view it as part of a broader strategy. Exercise, sleep, social connection, therapy, and, when necessary, medication all play vital roles in mental health. Nutritional changes should complement, not replace, professional treatment. Final thoughts. The connection between diet and depression is undeniable. By choosing foods that nourish the brain and support emotional well-being, individuals can take proactive steps toward feeling better. Whether it's adding a handful of walnuts to your breakfast, swapping soda for herbal tea, or enjoying a colorful salad for lunch, small changes can lead to meaningful improvements over time. If you're considering dietary changes to support your mental health, it's a good idea to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare provider. They can help tailor a plan to your unique needs and ensure you're getting the nutrients your brain and body require.